guys, I just finished my video. Like we said, I'm doing this one. Hey, left side. So super weird. I don't know why that's interesting, but I know you should do this. Is it supposed to be like this? Oh my gosh. This is actually pretty. You think it's a t-shirt? Go with that. And it's like a big t-shirt. And it goes like this. This is what it goes like. And this is my sister's home. Hey, I just folded it up. Okay, I don't know how to fold this thing, so hard. Never mind. See it. I know it's hard. Password. That's this. I don't know what's this. I think it's smart. Let's see. Yeah, there's just a spot. I've never touched this. Never. Okay. So the battery. Okay, right. We should just put this. Next one is this. It's not really anything. Okay, that's you. Yeah. Oh, who's this way? Okay, you can't use the words. These are milks. They don't sound the same. What's this for? And I just put this right here, and this. We're done. And right. That's what it is. Look what this is. It looks so weird. I can do some things. Let's see what I can do. I can line these up properly. That's right. You want to really be able to see something? This way. If you guys didn't that's okay. Yeah, hang on. Just wait. Go back on. I went for it, nice McDonald's. No, I'm a big fan of it. I love McDonald's. I love McDonald's. McDonald's people here like this, like the people that work at McDonald's. I give you guys a thumbs up. I love meals. They're so good.